everything is a lot, I'm going to say real. It feels a lot more real. Like members of our team have spent more time in Washington, D.C. than I anticipated that we would be a year ago, having conversations about, sort of critical manufacturing and what it means for the domestic supply base. The nature of, let's say, supplier discovery has gone from, maybe I'm having a challenge with some sub-assembly and I would really like to find somebody else. That would be great. And now there is this imperative, right? It's like, I, from my leadership, am actively meant to try to reshore manufacturing as completely as I can. And that is a super hard thing to do when you go, I don't know, how many custom fab metal shops are there domestically? 1,400, 1,600. You're like, where do I even start with that?